As I rest against this cold hard wall, will you pass me by? Will you criticize me as I sit and cry? I have fought so hard and thought that all my battles have been won, only to find the war's just begun. Is it not strong enough? Is it not pure enough to break me, pour me out, and start again? Is it not brave enough to take one chance on me? Please, gotta have one chance to start again. When my weakness fall, and I will make me suffer for a lifetime. Is there any way to be made whole again? If I be renewed and find forgiveness, find a strength I've never had, where my scars forever ruin on God's plan. Is it not strong enough? Is it not pure enough to break me, pour me out, and start again? Is it not brave enough to take one chance on me? Please, gotta have one chance to start again. It took my life into its hands and turned it all around, and by this desperate circumstance, it's then I finally found